get ready po.
Ayan, 20 roses.
Ayan na syempre for our first roses. Put your hands up together with Sir Jerry Roque. Ayan, palakpakan naman po natin si Sir Jerry. Ayan. Ayan, Sir Jerry. Ayan. Alright, palakpakan naman po natin si Sir Jerry. Ayan. Alright. Huwag niyo pong iiwan muna si Nanay Curly hanggat wala pa po yung kapalit niyo. Ayan, sir. Ayan. Dito po kayo sa gitna. Alright, ayan, syempre, picture muna tayo. Look at the number in 1, 2, and 3. Ayan, and syempre, for our next roses. Put your hands up together with Sir Ricky Paez. Ayan, palakpakan naman po natin si Sir Ricky. Ayan.
Buka mo lang dito. Kasi yung lang may lagi. Wala po ba?
Alright. Ayan, and syempre for our next roses, put your hands up together with Sir Noel Baglit. Ayan, Sir Noel.